If you're experiencing pending transfers on Wise, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you understand the steps to resolve these issues effectively. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Wise account and navigate to the activity section. Here, you can see the status of your transfers. If a transfer is pending, note any messages or alerts that may indicate the reason for the delay. Step 2. Review transfer details. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. Check the amount, recipient information, and any additional notes. Ensure that all information is correct and matches what you intended to send. Step 3. Verify payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact Wise support. If the transfer remains pending and you cannot identify the issue, reach out to Wise customer support. Provide them with the transfer details and any error messages you received for quicker assistance. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your transfer. If necessary, follow up with them if you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Wise. If issues persist, consider checking the Wise Help Center for additional resources.